Hi there, Steve Wiltgen here with BR Marine Group, here today on a 2024 Formula 387 CCF center console fish. This boat is loaded with about every option available on this model. It's the fishing package, but it did come with the cruising seating for extended pleasure and cruising and fishing. Up front we have a windlass anchor. Wraparound seating, there is a seat that goes here, and this is a table that comes on the floor where you can use it as a sun pad. The whole thing fills in as a sun pad, or use it as a table. Moving forward, we do have a cooler under the lounge seating here that opens up, and actually right now it has all the cushion for the table and the sun pad. Plenty of storage on this boat. Both seats open up on friction hinges, so they stay up. You don't have to hold them. We also have phone outlets up here as well. Table up and down buttons over here. Plenty of cup holders and rod holders throughout along the gunnels and the back. This boat is equipped with a upgraded Raymarine infrared camera, FLIR camera. It's a 364C. We also have a LED spotlight and also razor lights on the top as well. Speakers throughout the boat. This boat is equipped with JL Audio M6 speakers and subwoofers and amplifiers as well. Moving back towards the midship, we have a cabin, air conditioning, separate head, seating that converts to a bed, so you could stay on a boat overnight. Plenty of storage for rod holders, TV down there as well, and shower. Lots of storage on the boat. This is for your bow shade. It's got a bow shade with carbon fiber poles you manually put up. More storage in the floor. You have storage where your fishing rod, bucket, bait buckets, cutting boards, all stored underneath there. It also has two huge fish boxes that do have Dometic chillers in there, so you don't need ice. You can just turn the chillers on and use them in the freezer. So at here at the helm, we have twin 22-inch Raymarine screens, HD Cyclone radar as well. We do have a button here you can hit because this windshield does run. You can run with it open or closed. So if you do have guests in the front, you can have a nice conversation instead of having to reach around to hear everybody. Also have phone chargers, 3 of them for the helm, bow thruster, helm AC in the dash. We also have helm AC in your seats right here. These seats do move forward and backwards electronically, and you can sit on them or use them as a bolster. And these seats are extremely comfortable. I have a ladder here to go up to the hardtop if you have to go to do any cleaning or any work on the hardtop. Back here we have a cooler that electronically comes out. It's a huge cooler. Also is your footrest for your seating here, your mezzanine seating, and also you have AC unit and air vents back here. This also converts to your area here. You have a sink, cutting board, tackle box drawers. We also have a sure shade that telescopes out the back here electronically. All your rocket launcher rod holders under the gunnels too to store rods. Have a side door here as well. This flips open. Your ladder will mount here. All your shore power hookups are right here. Underneath this hatch here we have our Seakeeper 3 and also a Fisher Pander generator, and all your other equipment is all tucked away and stored nicely under there, and everything is rigged perfectly on this boat. We also have a seat back here, a bench seat that folds out. 2 live wells. They're pressurized live wells. We also have a Kenyon grill back here as well, with more storage drawers here, large aft door, and a large swim platform back here. There is a carbon fiber passerelle that mounts on either side of the platform in the back to get to a dock if you have to back in. This boat is equipped with Mercury twin 600 V12s. Cruising speed on this boat is anywhere from 20 miles an hour. You'll stay in plane all the way up until 45 miles an hour. It's going to top out, upper 50s, around 60. They're super quiet motors, as you can tell right now. You can barely hear them run. We have spreader lights back here. Also have Raymarine cameras, video cameras. One facing back, one in the cabin, one facing forward. The boat is also equipped with fresh water hose on a reel and also a raw water hose. You just pull it out and then click up to go back in. This boat is equipped with 4 electric reels, or outlets for electric reels on 2 in the stern, 2 in the bow. Beautiful boat. This boat only has 36 hours on it. The boat is like brand new. It's available now. To reach out to me, you can reach me at 239-565-4333 is my cell. See if you'd like to schedule a showing on the boat, and I'd love to have you out on it.